Hey, pandemonium here.
And today we are turning this beautiful little lily right here into an ice queen. We're going to be showing you how to do the makeup that I learned how to do on Lily. So first things you want to do first is put lotion on your face so it doesn't like dry. We already did lotion on Lily. So now we're going to put on foundation.
Oh.
Don't put like a whole bunch on your hand, because if you put on too much and then you put on too much on your face, it won't look good.
No. Don't do that at home.
And this is the foundation we're using, because Lily isn't like super tan, but you know. Okay. You want to like dab it in or just like rub it, but you want to make sure you get everything. Do you like putting makeup on? Yeah. You like playing dress up?
Yes. Big color out mine.
Okay. You look good. So now we are gonna put on eyeshadow, and I'm using purple and pink. If I can open it.
And it's kind of hard to open stuff. And you can open the big glass. Do it.
Okay, we're gonna do the pink first. So this goes up above your eyelids, like right here. Close your eyes. Okay, see? That looks really pretty on her. Your favorite color, pink? Yeah. Okay. Just like that. Now use light purple for the eyelid here. And don't worry, like if your makeup looks like you can see all the harsh lines, because later on we'll mix it in so it looks better. You can use dark purple right here on the edge. Cute. That looks cute.
comment below you then what to use.
Yeah, comment below if you like princesses. Okay, next we're gonna. You need a brush, I guess, that kind of looks like this. So you'll mix it and you don't see all the harsh like lines and stuff. So you blend it in circles. That looks good. You look good. Do you feel good?
Yeah.
Next we're gonna do her lipstick. We're gonna use hot pink.
On top of my regular lipstick. Ito, something I do like. Something like that, give it in.
Gee, so we're gonna use this hot pink right here. You can see it. And then this like light pink for the outside.
Yeah.
To outline her lips. Okay.
Yeah.
Voila. Is that what you said? Hold this. When you're putting on lipstick, I suggest not like getting a whole bunch on your brush, because then it'll go everywhere. And then it'll ruin the foundation, and that won't be good, I believe. Can you go like this? So pretty. She looks good. Do you like it? Oh, you probably can't see it. See it? Okay, so since
Give me the gun and can't see
since we're making her an ice queen, we are putting a wig on her. It's blonde.
It's blonde.
We braided it because
it
was too long before and heavy.
Heavy.
Still heavy, but
Still heavy for people. Only gonna can carry it.
and voila! Oh wait, wait. The ice queen. The ice queen needs her crown. She looks good. She looks really pretty. And her gloves, that's right. She has gloves. She has gloves too. Okay, good. That one slid on good. They're super cute. These are super cute. With their little bows with a little pearl in it. I like the color too.
Color blue like ice cream.
Yes, like ice.
Yeah.
Where's your fingers? Wait. You're missing the finger. Wait. Oh, okay. It's over there. I found it. Okay. She always struggles with this hand when putting her fingers in the gloves. You have all 5? Okay. And this is the end product. She looks like an ice queen. She looks super pretty. What do you have to say?
You should do like.
Okay, so now we will go outside so she can do her magic. You know, the snow comes out of her hand. One more thing before we go outside. We'll be doing my makeup later. I will be doing it. We'll post a picture on Instagram. And if you guys want a tutorial on that, comment in the comments. So we'll see you guys outside. Hey guys, we're outside and the Ice Queen made it snow and I am freezing. But obviously she isn't because, you know, the cold doesn't bother her. It's cold out here. Anyways, you see my pink hair. If you haven't seen the New Year, New You video, go watch that one. It'll explain everything. Like, comment, subscribe. We're going to take some pictures out here on Instagram. They're going to be on there. Go like those. Tell us what you think. And